Twisted monkey pose. Come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Step your right foot forward towards the top corner of your mat and place on the inside of your right hand, right knee over the ankle. Extend the left leg behind you. Allow your hips to drop down, keeping your left knee on the ground. Keep your left palm on the ground. Extend your right arm towards the back, twisting your upper body to the right. Bend your left knee and grab the top of your left foot with your right hand, pulling your left heel closer to your glutes. Relax your shoulders and allow gravity to pull your hips down. Breathe here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release, place your hands on the mat, and repeat on the other side.